Hi guys. Well, it's not raining tonight. I thought it was slowing down, so that's why I started making the video the other night. And then it just got crazy loud. Anyways, I've been picking on some stuff. Like I said, that whole back section and the lip along the tunnel. Tunnel has no holes in it at all. I haven't gotten that uncovered to dig at the front of that, but back here it looks pretty damn good. I did take the strip of metal that was on here off. I gotta take the press cowl. I think that has to come off. It's really rusted under surface rust, but I haven't found any holes. I mean, it's surface rust. Buster's Travels, he does a bunch of these bugs. And he uses Ospro for rust inhibitor. So I have a gallon coming. And I gotta get a new wire brush for my grinder, because I need to start grinding on some of this surface rust and get some rust converter in. I mean, when I get done, it'll probably be mostly gone, but at least slow it down. This, as you've seen, this is not the driest garage in the world. It is what I got. Anyways, I mean, it's... I would like to know if anybody has a super beetle. Are those dents supposed to be in there? Because those are in there. And then over on this side, there's a wrinkle there, and a wrinkle there. But the whole front end is banged up, so this back piece is nice and smooth. So if that's factory, why would you have it smooth in the back and not in the front? I don't have another super beetle to look at. But I got to strip off that side. Like I said, there is holes in the wheel well for the tire. But there's a lot of this is just surface rust that I can clean up and shoot some rust inhibitor on it, slow it down till I can get it fixed. I need to get this car braced up. When that body's flexing too much. The heater tunnels, some of it's still in there, but it's not enough to keep it together. So I need to get some freaking well, I have metal. I just gotta freaking do it. I gotta figure out something to do with that dash eventually. It's not on today's schedule, but I'm just saying I gotta do something with that dash. But I mean, that toe board Till I grind it, I don't know exactly what I got, but I mean, it don't look that bad, actually. I mean, the sides, you can still see the square holes in there. I mean, that means it's not completely gone. And the heater tunnels will get replaced. Got some rot back in there, but that's not looking that bad. I have to get in here with a grinder, try and clean the rest of this stuff up, but I mean, that's still in there. Looks like the wheel well's still in there. The death rot, or death foam, got this whole section in here all messed up, and I take it that's where the seat sits against. That one's not as bad, but at least I got something to go off of. It'll be interesting when I grind that mud off the backside of this panel to see how bad that is. I don't know. Anybody with a sunroof, can you take and get those brackets off and take that whole sunroof section off so you can rebuild it and get this that surface rust has to be up in there. It'd be nice to be able to take that whole panel out so I could redo underneath it. But anyways, yeah, there's a little bit of work to do, but I mean, I'm from Wisconsin, and this is not, I mean, it looks bad. It does. I mean, I could go to Arizona, California, and probably buy a better bug for less than what I'm going to stick into time on this. But as far as a northern beetle, I don't think it's that bad. I mean, you put heater tunnels in it, it takes care of all that. You just got a little patchwork to do. But anyways, that's my oh, I got my little heater running. It's doing pretty good. I'm on my second tank of fuel. I'm trying to dry everything out here after all the rain. And it's not working too bad. Floor's drying out. Everything's drying out. I gotta get all that stuff out the storage. Get those seats where they're not gonna get the bottom wet. But anyways, alrighty guys.